met you by the lamppost, shadows playing in the night. Your smile lit 1,000 dreams under the soft moonlight. We walked the cobblestone path, trailing endless stars. Hand in hand our hearts collided, flying near and far. Oh, I've got the world when you look at me. So the universe in your eyes you see. In our straight serenade, love flows free. Every step we take feels like destiny. Stayed up till dawn, watching dawn break through the sky. With every whispered secret, felt my love amplify. You held me close like the night would never end. In that moment, knew you'd always be my closest friend.